Hello, and welcome back to Meeting Room 365. Today, we will be covering our integration with If This, Then That, and using this integration to automatically reserve a meeting room when users walk in, all using an inexpensive Wyze camera. First, let's go over the basics of If This, Then That. IFTTT, as it's also known, is a simple web program that enables various apps and smart devices to work together in brand new ways. Despite being easy to use, IFTTT is remarkably powerful, allowing totally unrelated services to work together in harmony. Lucky for us, Meeting Room 365 has native integration with IFTTT, affording us endless possibilities to expand the functionality of our displays. To begin, we'll need to set up our Wyze camera. Download the app for Android or iPhone and create an account. Plug in the Wyze camera to USB port or the wall. Click the New Device button, and follow the on-screen directions to pair it. To finish the camera's setup, tap it, select the gear in the top right corner, and under Event Recording, turn on Detect Motion. This will allow the camera to send messages out to IFTTT. Once the Wyze cam is working, head to IFTTT.com. Upon arriving, we'll first need to create an account. Once it's created, we'll be taken to our home page. Once here, click the user icon in the top right corner and choose Create. This will take you to the applet creator that lies at the heart of IFTTT. Click the plus and search for the Wyze connectivity. Log in with the account we made earlier and select the Motion Sensor Detects Motion option. Select your camera from the dropdown, then create the trigger. You'll be brought back to the applet creator. Click the plus icon that appeared next to that and search up the term Webhook. We'll be using the Webhook integration to connect IFTTT to our meeting room display. Choose it, click Connect, and then select Make a Web Request. This box is going to look a little confusing, but don't worry, it's as simple as copy and pasting. IFTTT needs a special URL address to tell it where to look for our display. To find it, we need to head over to Meeting Room 365. In a new tab, log into your account, go to the Manage page, and select the display you'd like to connect to the camera. Go to the Hardware tab, and check the bubble about halfway down with the text Receive Motion Events. This will tell our display to look for a message from IFTTT. Once the bubble is checked, a URL will appear below. Copy this, and we can head on back to IFTTT. Paste the URL into the top box, then, from the drop-down menu, select Text/Plain. Create the action, and hit Finish. And that's it. Now, whenever the connected Wyze cam detects motion in the meeting room, it will automatically send a message to your meeting room display. Let's take a look at it in action. Here, we have a Wyze cam set up with IFTTT and Meeting Room 365 set up on a Fire tablet. As you can see, when I wave my hand in front of the camera, the room is reserved for 15 minutes. This will continue in 15-minute increments as long as the camera is detecting motion in the room. Keep in mind there is a delay of 30 seconds to a minute. However, this isn't all you can do with IFTTT and your meeting room display. You can also have a meeting room display trigger an event in IFTTT when a room is reserved, such as changing the color of a Philips Hue light. This is covered in the documentation on our website and may be covered in a future video. Navigate to the link on screen to learn more. But until then, that's all we have for you. If you have any questions or issues with setup, don't hesitate to contact us at the email on screen. Thank you for choosing Meeting Room 365.